children, good morning. Welcome to maths class. Continuation of second chapter, addition of two-digit numbers. Okay. Yesterday I explained two word problems. Yes, addition word problems. What are the words we are going to using for addition? Yes, add, total, in all, more, sum, plus, in all, more, all together. Yes or no? Increase. These words are addition words. When we are going to write addition word problems, we are going to using add, total, in all, sum, plus, more, all together, increase. These are addition words. Yesterday I explained a word problem. Today I am going to give textbook exercise problems. Okay, Nana? See, in this chapter you already learned two-digit number 2 lines, two-digit numbers 3 lines without regrouping, and two-digit numbers 2 lines, two-digit numbers 3 lines with grouping, and verifying addition. Verifying addition means our answer is correct or wrong. We are going to check once again. First I am going to show that concepts and examples, then go to word problems. Ready now? Come on. Look at the board. Already you learned. Here they given two-digit number additions and another one addition facts. Number plus 0 or 0 plus number, same number. Number plus 1, next number of the given number. We add 2 or more numbers in any order, we get the same answer. Okay? Come on. 45 plus 50. 45 plus 50. Start from ones place. These are ones, these are tens. Number plus 0, same number. 4 plus 5, take 4 fingers, 5 after, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is the total? 95. Another one. 33 plus 51 plus 10. Ones place, tens place. First adding ones. First number is 33. Second number is 51. Third number is 10. Start from ones place. First add these two numbers. Number plus 1. Next number. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 0, 4. Now adding tens. First adding these two numbers. Take 3 fingers. 5 after. 6, 7, 8. 8 in the mind. 8 plus 1, 9. Okay? These are addition of without grouping of two-digit number 2 lines, two-digit number 3 lines. Okay? Number plus 0, same number. Number plus 1, next number. Another examples. Plus 26. Ones place, tens place. First adding? Yes, very good. Ones. 8 plus 6. Take 8 fingers. 6 after. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 is a two-digit number. Right side. We are going to split the number. Split the number means ones place number ones place. Tens place number carry forward to tens place. Tens place number carry forward to tens place. Here 4 is in the ones place, 4 right in the ones place, 1 carry forward to tens place. That means right above 6. This is called with regrouping. After adding ones, if you get 2-digit number, separate that number. That means ones number ones place, tens number carry forward. Now 1 plus 6 plus 2. 1 plus 6, 7. Very good. 7 in the mind. Take 2 fingers. 7 after 8, 9. Understood? 1 plus 6 or 6 plus 1. 1 finger. 6 after 7. 7 in the mind. Take 2 fingers. 7 after 8, 9. 2-digit number. 2 lines with grouping. Okay? Next one. Next example. Tens place, ones place. 56, 34 plus 15. 56 plus 34 plus 15. Start from ones. First adding these two numbers. Then go to third number. 6 plus 4. Take 6 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 in the mind. Take 5 fingers. 10 after 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 2-digit number. Ones number right in the ones place. Tens number carry forward to tens place. That means right top of the tens place. Above 5. Okay. Now 1 plus 5 plus 3 plus 1. 1 plus 5, 6. Very good. 6 in the mind. Take 3 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. What is the answer? 105. 105. 2-digit number. 3 lines with grouping. Okay? Or with regrouping. Next example goes to verifying addition with regrouping. Now come on, one more example. 2-digit means tens place, ones place. 25 plus 37 plus 40. Come on, adding ones. First add these two numbers. These are ones. These are tens. Start from ones place. Take 5 fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 0, 12. 2-digit number. Separate tens and ones. Split the number. Ones number right in the ones place. Tens number carry forward to tens place. That means write this one above 2. Now circle, small circle. Now 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. This is going to carry forward number. 1 plus 2, 3. Very good. 3 in the mind. Take 3 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6. 6 in the mind. Take 4 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10. Once again. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 in the mind. Take 3 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6. 6 in the mind. Take 4 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10. 102. 102. The total is 102. These are 2-digit number. 3 lines with regrouping. Regrouping means after adding ones we get 2-digit number. We are going to split the number. Ones place number ones place. Tens place number carry forward. Carry forward number and tens digit. Okay. Next one, verifying addition. Verifying addition, we check our answer. See. Tens place, ones place. 53 plus 24. Find the total first. Adding ones. 3 plus 4. Take 3 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7. 7 right in the ones place. Adding tens. Take 5 fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6. verifying addition, we are going to check our answer. Now we are going to write the given numbers in reverse order. That means second number in the first number in the second place. See like this. Second number is 24, write in the first place. First number is 53, write in the second place and put the symbol. That means 24 goes up, 53 comes down. Okay? 24 goes up, 53 comes down. Reverse order. Okay? Now adding ones, same process. 4 plus 3, 7. Very good. 2 plus 5, 7. Take 2 fingers, 5 after 6, 7. We get same total. That means our process is correct. Our total is correct. Another example. 24, 36, 43. 2-digit 3 lines. Start from ones. 4 plus 6, yes, 10. Take 4 fingers, 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. Very good. 2-digit number. Ones place number, ones place. Tens place number, carry forward to tens place. Write about 2. Now 1 plus 2, 3. 3 in the mind. 3 fingers, 3 after 4, 5, 6. 6 in the mind. Take 4 fingers, 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10. 103. The total is 103. Now we are going to check our answer. Again put the places. Now write the numbers in reverse order. That means, yes, 43 write in the first place. Second number write in the second place only. First number write in the third place. See, the numbers are in reverse order. 43 going up. 36 in the same place. 24 come down. 43 goes up. Reverse order. 43 goes up. 36 in the same place. 24 down. This is going to reverse order. Plus, adding ones. Take 3 fingers, 6 after 7, 8, 9. 9 in the mind. Take 4 fingers, 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 is a 2-digit number. 3 write in the ones place. 1 carry forward to tens place. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 in the mind. Take 3 fingers, 5 after 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 2, 8 in the mind. Take 2 fingers, 8 after 9, 10. What is the total? 103. Here also 103. Our process is correct. This is called verifying addition. Next one goes to word problems. We write the answer using words. Word problems. PROBLEMS. This is going to exercise 2E. Exercise 2E in our textbook problem. First one. The teacher distributed 25 English books and 41 maths books to the children in the class. How many books did she distribute in all? Okay, I am going to write the question. You see. Come on, my dear children. This is the question. Word problem question. First of all, we are going to read the given question. First of all, we are going to read the given question. See, the teacher distributed 25 English books and 41 maths books to the children in the class. To the children in the class. How many books did she distribute in all? In all going to addition word. That means here we find the total. How do you get total? By adding the given numbers. See, first we are going to underline the important words. The teacher distributed 25 English books and 41 maths books. Here two kinds of books. First one English, second one maths. In all means total. In all means total. How many books did she distribute in all? In all is going to addition word. That means we get the answer by addition. Here we find out total. Now write the answer using words. What are the words given? English books. How many? See, short form. NO, no. Underline 2 dots. This is read as number of. What is it? Number of English books. Number of English books equal to how many? 25. Give some gap between tens and ones. 2-digit number. Next one, maths books. Number of. What is it? Number of maths books. How many maths books? Very good. We are underlining no number 41. Write correctly in the ones place and tens place. Now how many books did she distribute in all? In all goes to addition word. Right, in all means total. T-O-T-A-L. Total number of books. You write in simple words. Total number of books equal to. How do you get total, Nana? By addition. What is the symbol for addition? Plus. We keep plus here. Put small brackets. Adding from ones. This is one. These are ones. These are tens. English books are 25. Maths books are 41. Here we find out the total. In all means total. 5 plus 1, 6. Write in the ones place. 2 plus 4. Take 2 fingers. 4 after 5, 6. How many? 66. Total books she distributed 66. Okay. Once again, number of English books equal to 25. Number of maths books equal to 41. Total number of books equal to 25 plus 41. Adding ones. 5 plus 1, 6. Writing the ones place. 2 plus 4, 6. Write in the tens place. Total books equal to 66. Understood? Can I go to next one? Okay, my dear children. This is going to textbook problem, Nana. Now next question, Nana. This is the exercise 2E continuation, second word problem. First, read the question. Okay? Come on. For Rajan's birthday party. Whose birthday party? Rajan's. His mother bought 58 samosas and 35 pizzas. What is the total number of samosas and pizzas that she bought? What is the addition word in this question? Very good. Total. Underline that word first. Here they given in the question 2 food items. What are those? Samosas, pizzas. How many samosas? 58 samosas. Underline. How many pizzas? 35 pizzas. What is the total number of samosas and pizzas that she bought? Total. We get the total by addition. Here write the answer with words. Come on, what is the first food item? Samosas. Number of samosas. S-A-M-O SAS, 58. Second one, pizzas. This is read as number of, short form, number of pizzas, Pizzas. How many pizzas? 35. Rajan's mother bought these two for Rajan's birthday. Now total number of samosas. I continue in the next line. And pizzas. Samosas and pizzas. Okay? Now find the total. We get the total by addition. Put the symbol plus. Adding ones. Start addition from ones. 58 are samosas. 35 are pizzas. Adding ones. Yes. Take 8 fingers. 5 after. 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We get 13. 13 is a 2-digit number. Here 13 having 1, 10, 3 ones. We are going to split the number. That means ones number right in the ones place. Tens number carry forward to tens place. In the tens place, carry forward number and tens digit. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 in the mind. Take 3 fingers. 6 after. 7, 8, 9. What is the total number of food items? 93. Samosas and pizzas both are together 93. Understood the problem? First of all, when we are going to writing word problem, first read the question 2 or 3 times. Then addition word is there or not. This is going to addition word. Underline. Next, what are the items are given in the question? That is going to anyone, books or pencils or pens or food items or fruits or vegetables or trees, different types of trees. First find out that and underline that important words and write the words like this. Question, leave a line and answer. Okay? In this question, Rajan's mother bought for his birthday samosas and pizzas. We get the answer by addition. Understood the problem? Okay, Nana? I give you notes now. I send you notes in WhatsApp group. You follow that notes and write in your classwork neatly, my dear children, and learn 8 table. Okay? Thank you very much. We continue word problems in the next